In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom attributes in Attio. Let's get started inside your Attio workspace. For this walkthrough, I'll open the People object, since that's where I want the new data to live. If you're tracking different kinds of records, you can follow the exact same process in other objects like companies, deals, or any custom object you've set up. The key is to be in the object where the attribute should be available. On the table view, look toward the columns at the top of your list. You'll see a small plus icon next to your existing column headers. Click that plus button to add something new to the view. This is your entry point for bringing in existing fields or creating brand new ones. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Attribute. In Attio, an attribute is simply a field that stores structured information about each record in your object. Think of it as a reusable data point. Once you create it, every person in your people list will have that same field ready to be filled in. Attributes are powerful because they make your data consistent. They also unlock filtering, sorting, views, and automation based on the values you enter. Next, you'll be asked to pick the attribute's type. In this example, select Text. Text is great for names, labels, notes, or any short free-form value. If you ever need more control, remember that other types like number, date, or select help standardize input and reduce typos. But for now, text will keep things simple and flexible. Now give your attribute a clear label in the name field. Type in name. Choose wording that your entire team will immediately understand. Short, specific labels reduce confusion and make filtering and reporting much easier down the road. If your organization uses naming conventions, stick to those here to keep everything consistent. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Attribute. You'll see your new attribute appear as a column in the table. From here, you can start filling in values for each record, just like any other field. If needed, you can drag the column to reposition it, hide or show it in different views, or use it to filter your list, so you can quickly focus on the records that matter most. That's all it takes to create a custom attribute in Attio. You've defined a field once and made it available everywhere you work with that object, keeping your data tidy, searchable, and action-ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with what you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more.